Hi, fabulous eighth grade students and parents. My name is Heather Ridge. My pronouns are she, her, hers, and I am the teacher for this eighth grade science class. If you haven't met me before virtually, then you probably recognize my face or voices from our class videos. I've been here at Boulder Universal for a number of years, and I love teaching this class because we start at the very center of the Earth and go all the way out into the outer edges of our galaxy and universe by the end of it. I hope you're enjoying it so far. And I wanted to talk a little bit about a few things that might help you navigate this class, as well as a few things that are coming up that might be exciting. As you know, you can reach out to teachers anytime via email. You can go up and send a message, or you can call us. And all of that information is here in our teacher information week one folder. You also have it here and here. You can also join me if you wanted to work together live, because most of our classwork is all asynchronous. But you have the option to pop in at noon on Mondays and Wednesdays and meet with me. I'm there, and you might also meet some fellow classmates at Google Meet. You can click on this link or just go to Google Meet and use the join code with my name in it, BU_Ridge. That's noon on Mondays, where I typically kind of go over the week and talk a little bit about what we'll be doing, some key terms that might be helpful, and also come up with some pacing guides if you need a little bit of help organizing your time through the week. And then on Wednesdays, we'll pick an assignment and actually do that assignment together. So, for example, we might have a lab that's hands-on at home where I can do that if you don't have any of the materials, or a simulation that might be on the computer that I can help you with as well. So I really recommend that you drop in on Monday and Wednesdays and meet with me so we can do some of those assignments. Parents, if you haven't been watching closely yet, your students can show you how to navigate through each weekly folder. As you can see, each of our weeks, so for example, this week we're in week 6, we will be in week 6. So you open up the folder and you've got pages to read. So here there might be some important vocabulary or some videos with a demonstration. And you might also see different kinds of assignments. For example, this bubble is a discussion where we're talking with each other. Students are getting a chance to interact. And in this symbol, where it's kind of a blue background with a pencil, you're actually creating something. So in this case, we did a lab together where you had to collect data. The last icon you might see is this sort of puzzle piece, and that's when we have a quiz. And so I would definitely review your notes and make sure you know all the material before taking that. Each week, I also have two optional folders. My Extra for Experts folders are there for students who might be really interested in the topic we're discovering together. And so you want to dig a little deeper. There might be some extra credit if you'd like to do an extra credit assignment, or it might just be a current event where what we're learning really applies to what's going on in the world. Again, this is an optional activity. You don't have to do that, but it's in there. And then I also have an I need more help with this week folder. So in here you might find some review questions or flashcards, or it might have some additional games or note taking tools that could be helpful in helping to understand those concepts. Again, those are optional assignments, but they're there for you. As students work through each of the items in the folder, when everything is complete, they'll get a green check mark. Please do be careful. Sometimes those green check marks can be a bit deceiving just due to technical glitches. It might not update quickly. So just make sure you're opening up the folder and you're going through everything. And most of your assignments should be numbered in order. Going through here from start to finish, you can come to the folder view, or you can actually click on the assignment and use the navigation tools up here on the right to go from page to page. So you can navigate this way as well. But our goal is that you're doing everything in that folder before the deadline the following Monday. And you can also reach out again and meet with me Mondays and Wednesdays to do any of the work together. Uh, and that you're also sure that you can email me anytime or call me or message me anytime. And my information is here right at the top, as well as in the week 1 folder. A couple of exciting things are coming up in week 6 that I did want to tell you about. Along with studying some pretty explosive events in Earth science as we go over volcanic eruptions, we're also going to be doing our very first round of parent teacher conferences. And our parent teacher conferences are a little different. Obviously, this year, because instead of coming into the lab and getting to meet us face to face, we'll be doing it virtually, but also because it's going to be student led. You're going to be taking your parents through, and it'll show up right here on Thursday, October 1st. You're going to, on October 1st, have a quiz with your parents, not one you need to study for, but one you need to bring a parent or guardian with you. And you're going to be showing them what we've been doing in our class so far, what you're proud of, what you're working on, and let them ask some questions as well. So I'm really looking forward to getting to know you all better in that way. Reach out whenever you can with any questions.